To start using Nash, you need to create an account. Start by clicking the Sign In button at the top right of Nash's homepage. Enter your full legal name as it appears on your ID document, and if you have one, a referral code. But don't worry if you don't have a referral code at this point, it's completely optional. Enter your country of residence, and if you're in the United States of America, we'll ask you for your state as well. Remember to ensure your email address is secure and use the strong password tips we have provided for you. We'll then send you an email asking you to confirm the email address you provided. If you don't see this email, please check your junk folder. If you still don't see it, click the Resend Verification Email button. Now it's time to sign into Nash and generate your digital asset accounts. Read the page carefully. Nash uses 12 secret words to generate your accounts for Ethereum, Neo, and a number of other digital assets. If you lose your password, you can still access your accounts using these words. So for this reason, you absolutely must back up your 12 secret words properly. Write down your 12 secret words in order or print by clicking the printer icon. Only use a secure printer directly connected to your computer with a USB cable. Repeat your 12 secret words in order to complete this step. The final step is setting up two-factor authentication. Download and install an authentication app such as Authy, Google Authenticator, or LastPass Authenticator. Make a written copy of the manual two-factor authentication key in case you lose your two-factor authentication details or find yourself locked out of your account. Scan the QR code shown to you and enter the two-factor authentication code that the app shows you. Congratulations, you've created a Nash account.